Hi, I'm Ananya Banerjee and today I have got a very nice vegetarian recipe for you, Ol Bhape. So I'm going to take the ol or suran here. This is black mustard paste. I'm using black mustard paste, some white mustard paste. Then I have some khaskhas paste. And the last paste I'm using is melon seed paste. And I'll give it a good mix. Then comes grated coconut. Some turmeric powder goes in, salt to taste, and little bit of sugar. Again mix. No Bengali recipes are complete without this quintessential mustard oil. So a good drizzle of that, some green chilies, as much hot you want your food to be. Already smells so good. Now I'm going to tell you few options. If you are using a microwave, put this mixture in a microwavable dish and you can microwave it for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm using a steamer today. So I'm placing this in a plate like this. The surans are already cooked, but it will get a nice steam. So I'll few little more drizzle of mustard oil. So I've covered this with an aluminium foil. I'll place this plate inside and steam it for 8 to 10 minutes. Moment of truth, steam. So it is perfectly steamed now. Yeah, let me open and check how it looks. Perfect. And the masala is soaked in the ol. What it needs is a little more drizzle of mustard oil. It's a simple dish. You don't need much. Just a steaming hot bowl of rice. Ol Bhape for you.